nation was cringing under the heavy burden of economic strains being imposed upon the already slumped shoulders of the common populace due to the unplanned lockdown, the BJP-led central government came up with yet another draconian act, the Farm Laws and the Electricity Bill 2020, under the age-old promise of Achhe Din. The government claimed that the farmers' welfare was their sole concern. But the farmers, who were assumed to be unsuspecting people, saw through the smokescreen of lies. They realized that the only people to be benefited from these laws are the capitalist class and the big corporate houses. And hence was initiated a movement, a farmers' movement against the draconian steps of the anti-people government and the corporate houses. Little did the government realize that what was anticipated to be a child's rant would shape into a historic movement upholding the strength of mass unity. Police barricades, lathi charge, tear gas, water cannons, cold winds, heavy rain. Nothing could dampen their unwavering spirit of determination. More than 140 peasant brothers have been martyred in the course of this movement, yet the farmers continue to fight on. AIDSO salutes this brave spirit of the protesters in this movement, which is not just a peasants' movement but a movement of every other common man from all walks of life. Recognizing this impending danger and the significance of this movement in the present times, AIDSO has been standing with the farmers right from day one. Whether it be the Gramin Bharat Bandh of September 25th or the Bharat Bandh of December 8th, AIDSO has always extended its support to the farmers and shall maintain its stand till the three black anti-farmers Agriculture Acts and Electricity Bill are unconditionally repealed. To fortify this historic farmers' movement and to spread the flame of its spirit amidst as many people as possible, AIDSO had organized a bike rally which started on 15th January 2021 from the National Martyrs Memorial in memory of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev and reached Tikri border on 19th January, culminating finally at Singhu border the same day.
Dear friends, on 15th January from All India Democratic Students Organization AIDSO All India Committee, the bike rally in support of the historic farmers movement, it started. We started this rally paying our tributes to the three great martyrs of our Indian freedom struggle, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. The response of the farmers is very overwhelming. They are so emotional. Wherever we go, they are feeling so happy. And what is astonishing for them is the mainstream media, which we are calling them as the Godi media. They have painted this entire movement to be limited to only Punjab and Haryana. They don't know how in South India or in other places of India the farmers movement is going on and how our student organization AIDSO from the day one we are with the farmers and in support of them several programs we have taken up, and we are telling that we are coming from many of our in the rally. It is an all India rally. Volunteers are there from 21 states, and when they know that there are volunteers from Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, they are highly surprised. And when we are telling them that even in our states we are protesting, farmers are opposing it, that is an inspiration for them. And along with that, this entire program is an inspiration even for all of us. When we see them, the farmers are so determined. They are telling, "Hum jeet kar hi jayenge." Without winning, we will not go back. That is a determination.
After being flagged off from Firozpur on 15th January, we reached Hussainiwala, where we garlanded the statues of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, and also offered our heartfelt respect at the Samadhi Sthal of Revolutionary Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh's mother, Vidyavati Devi. From there, we went to Gurudwara Mata Khivi Ji in Faridkot and thereafter to Gurudwara Gangsar Sahib in Jaipur, where we halted for the night. On 16th January, we went to Bathinda, where teachers, pensioners and democratic-minded people welcomed us. We went to Gurudwara Sahib Shahid Bhai Matidas Nagar, from where we then went to Madsa and then to Budlada, where we stayed at night. Next day, in the morning of 17th January, with the active involvement of various well-meaning people, we organized a rally with the local students in Budlada. From Budlada, we went to Bachhauna, where we performed songs amongst the local people, and then we went to Sunam, where we garlanded the statue of Shahid Udham Singh.
देश के छात्रों किसानों के साथ इस नारा के साथ हम लोग ऑल इंडिया डेमोक्रेटिक स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन AIDSO की अखिल भारतीय कमेटी की तरफ से हुसैनीवाला से पूरे पंजाब और हरियाणा होकर सिंघू बॉर्डर से होकर टिकरी बॉर्डर तक एक बाइक रैली की आयोजन किए हैं। आज हम लोग सुनाम में हैं। हम लोग जानते हैं ये सुनाम क्रांतिकारी उधम सिंह के जन्म स्थल है। हम लोग इस जगह होकर पटियाला होकर कैथल, जींद, रोहतक से निकलेंगे और जहां वीर किसानों आंदोलन में खड़े हैं, डटे हैं, वहां पहुंचेंगे। गोदी मीडिया और हमारे देश के हुकूमत एक चीज साबित करना चाहते हैं कि जो संघर्ष, जो किसान आंदोलन चल रहा है, ये धनी किसानों का आंदोलन है। लेकिन हम लोग जानते हैं कि इस आंदोलन के साथ पूरे देश के मेहनतकश वर्ग, आम आदमी भी इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। हम लोग ऑल इंडिया डेमोक्रेटिक स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से पहले दिन से इस आंदोलन के साथ थे, रहेंगे और जितने दिन तक ये आंदोलन फतेह करते हैं उतने दिन तक हम लोग इस आंदोलन के साथ रहेंगे। हम लोग अपील करते हैं सिर्फ किसान विरोधी काला कानून बिजली बिल 2020 के खिलाफ नहीं, हुकूमत की तरफ से एक के बाद एक आम जनता के खिलाफ जो कानून लागू किया जा रहा है, शिक्षा के ऊपर, स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर, रोजगार के ऊपर, इनके खिलाफ भी इसी आंदोलन से प्रेरित होकर और मजबूत आंदोलन बनाने का शपथ लेना चाहिए।
Thereafter, we passed through several villages and cities to reach Gurudwara Shri Adarspura Sahib, Kalyan in Nabha Patiala Road at night. The morning of 18th January started off on a new note, with AIDSO volunteers performing street drama in Patiala, through which they appealed the audience and the passers-by to join the farmers' movement.
किसान करेगा मेहनत और हम कमाएंगे मुनाफा।
क्या किसान लोग चुप बैठेंगे? अगर वो लोग आंदोलन करके बैठ गए तब क्या करेंगे अपन?
ये अनपढ़ गवार लोग एक क्या मुंह खोलेंगे? वैसे ही तो मर ही चुके हैं। खोल भी नहीं तो मोदी संभाल लेगा। राज तो हमारा ही है।
जिंदाबाद 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 नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
Thereafter, the bike rally was cordially welcomed by the students and the professors of the Punjabi University. Enriched with the vigor experienced at the Punjabi University, we reached Kaithal, where AIDSO representatives addressed the gathering of protesters. From Kaithal, we headed towards Rohtak, where on 19th January we garlanded the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Our 5-day-long bike rally reached Tikri border in the afternoon that very day and culminated in the Singhu border the same day. This bike rally was more than just a procession. It was a reiteration of the dream that the great revolutionaries of the uncompromising trend of the freedom struggle of India like Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Khudiram Bose and the others had visualized for their beloved motherland. It was a message from the students of the nation to the countrymen that we are with the farmers. देश के छात्र किसानों के साथ हैं. It was an appeal to the general multitude to join the movement that our farmers have started to fight back, not just those 3 draconian agriculture acts and electricity bill, but also the fascist regime of the BJP-led pro-capitalist central government. As students, we feel that this movement is as much a fight of the farmers as is for us. So it is in interest of the entire nation that we should fight unitedly. The farmers also recognize this emotion and were genuinely elated by the spontaneous involvement of the students in solidarity with this movement. They blessed us and congratulated us for this humble endeavor that we had uptaken. Today, we students and farmers stand as one family, ready to face the storm together, fall together, rise up again and fight back together. AIDSO pledges to cement its firm stand with the ongoing peasants' movement and once again appeals to everyone to extend their invaluable support to this historic movement. Following the burning spirit of which, AIDSO will go for countrywide massive protests against anti-people policies, particularly Draconian Agriculture Acts, Electricity Bill and National Education Policy 2020. AIDSO calls on to the students' community and the academic fraternity to step ahead, join the movement, strengthen it and save the country.